Hello everyone, this is a new video. Kaivalya goat farm, Lebong, Darjeeling, and this is the outcome of the cross of the beetal buck and jamunapari doe. And this pure black is a doe, and this long-eared, white long-eared is a buck, and it's just 1 week older. And this pure black you can see it's very beautiful. We will be uploading more videos, and there are more to come. And this kids are only 1 month old. Last time we have uploaded a video of this 2 buck and 1 doe, crossbreed of Sanian buck and crossbreed of beetle buck and Sanian cross doe. You can see the growth rate. They are just 1 month old, and they are the freshest here, the newcomers. We will be uploading more videos soon. Till then, everyone, take care.